This conference will now be recorded.
Hi team, good morning. Yeah, we'll start it demo. So anybody working on ETL tools? Any idea why we need to learn Talent? Because of we have n number of tools are there in the market. So n number of programming languages are there in the market. But why we need to learn Talent? Is there any reason? Can somebody? Any idea?
Yeah, it's less cost and it's a free, freeware, open studio.
Okay. Yeah, one of the good answer. Okay. Other than that,
Yes, it supports, many DBs and
same other ETL tools like Data Stage, Informatica, Ab initio. Those ETL, MSBI. So that is called SSIS. Also, it will supporting same right in number of DBs. Even though Talent also same ETL tool. Why it is required to learn Talent? Any idea? Just briefly. Because if we learn something, we need to get some benefit, right?
I think because
Yeah,
of its license cost, many of the companies are implementing now. So opportunities are growing for talent nowadays comparatively Informatica, which is costly license.
okay. Okay. Yeah, that is the one of the major point. Yes, I accept it. So technology wise, why we need to learn Talent? Yes,
It
let me
it
start.
will it will support
Yeah. Yes, please.
large num. It will support that mainly it will be looking for the data, right? So when talent is supporting the millions of records,
Yeah. So even the same like data
large
stage
number of
informatics
the,
also it will support. Yes, yes.
but there,
I accept. Yeah. Yes, please. Even same data stage, other ETL tools also it will support same. But why we need to learn? That is the main thing. Yes. As somebody said, so Talent is a ETL tool. It is a open source. They have released it in 2006 in the market. So why we need to learn Talent means, so I will tell you some 2 to 3 points. The first point, so it is a open source. We can download anywhere and we can work, we can develop the project. So even though if you go for licensed, when I go for licensed, suppose assume that other ETL tools, I want to develop one new project. I want to develop one new project. So I need some 10 members, 10 members. Okay. So the license cost, assume that 10 lakhs. Okay. So for other ETL tools, when I go for the Talent, so I need is assume that 10 members. So the license cost is very less. So I can get around 3 to 4 lakhs. Means half of the amount only I can get the product. For purchasing the product, I am saving some amount. For the purchasing product, I am saving some amount. So that amount, see, I am investing more amount for purchasing product. I can give the less salary for the other ETL tools. When I go for, I'm saving some amount compared with other ETL tools. So I can give little bit more salary for who are working on Talent resource. So when you learn Talent, you will get little bit more salary compared with other ETL tools. Why we need to learn Talent? Because of n number of ETL tools are there, same requirement I can achieve it by using other ETL tools also. Why it's required Talent means, so they have not that much components are there. But a Talent, there is a cloud integration. Mainly Talent is introduced for data integration, mainly for cloud integration. We can easily achieve it by using the Talent components. But other ETL tools like Data Stage, Informatica, not that much familiar for cloud integrations. They have a number of components. For we can easily achieve the customer requirement by using the simple graphical interface by using the component Talent components. They have a number of components. Okay, I can say user-friendly enrollment, talent. So mainly cloud integration purpose, they have introduced the talent. Means more market. Demanding is very more. Resources are very less available in the market. Requirement is more demanding in the market. So that is the reason, two reasons we can learn talent. I can say n number of opportunities like Singapore, Malaysia, US also. India also very more openings. Like I can say n number of openings. Like all the MNCs like TCS, Wipro, Accenture, HCL, Deloitte, Virtusa. Deloitte means n number of openings. Okay, so JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, Cognizant. I can say n number of openings. Even my students got Malaysia offers. They are working on remotely now. Okay, so that is the reason we need to learn talent. Any doubts? Any questions, team? Why we need to learn talent?
Yeah, Venkat, one quick question. Hi,
Yes,
Venkat.
yes, please.
Venkat, is it possible for whether is there any inbuilt mechanism in talent which will allow migration of ETL workflows from informatic or data stage into talent?
Yes. So most of the project nowadays we are getting because of the cost saving purpose. They are migrating like some Informatica to talent, data stage to talent, Ab initio to talent, MSBA to talent. I can see a number of more project is coming, upcoming project. Most of the project like that only. Okay, we can develop it most because of the saving, also cloud integration also very easy. See, suppose I want to purchase the cloud integration for other ETL tools also little bit cost, but talent is very less cost, right? So that we can easily implement it by using the talent. Even I have little bit worked on migration project from data stage to talent.
So, do we have to develop from the scratch, or
Yeah, we have to
whether
develop it. We have to
we
develop
have
it.
to develop all
Yes,
the workflows?
yes.
Okay.
So Informatica, they have a little bit complex. Like first we have to create the mappings, sessions, workflows like that. But talent is simple. Only one designer it is there. Okay, simply we can create the one simple workflow, then we can develop the job, we can execute it. So Informatica is a little bit complex, I can say, for job designing also. But talent is very easy. There are three types: mapping, sessions, workflows we have to create. Here it simple, only we can create the single design. Yes, other than any doubts, team? Why we need to learn talent? I can say more demanding skill in the market. I can say next generation leader in the market. Next generation leader. I can say it will coming some advantages. We have to keep on learning and we have to go. So I can say another 20 to 25 years. This ETL tool is a evergreen technology, I can say.
One quick
Okay.
question.
Yes, please. I am waiting for questions.
Venkat.
Yes. Yes, Mitin. Hello. Hi, Mitin. Hello.
When we are having this means big data tools,
Okay.
am I
I think your voice is breaking.
okay? Uh, Now, am I audible?
Yes, Mitin. You are audible.
Okay, Venkat, means my question is when we have a number of big data tools, okay,
Okay.
so whether means talent can compete with the big data tools right now which are there
Yes,
in the market.
Ye- yes.
Means is there any specific usage of talent as compared to the big data tools that are available in the market?
Yes. That's what I told, right? We have n number of components. Here we'll call as a components. Okay, so we have n number of components. We can use those components. We can connect to the n number of databases, n number of different types of source systems. Okay, we can easily get the data from the sources. We can easily integrate the data. We can inject into the target by using the components. So the cloud components also very easy to use it. N number of components are there. Okay, so we can easily develop our process. We can easily achieve the customer requirement by using the components. But other ETL tools, they are not that much familiar. Means they have a lengthy process, little bit difficult process. But here it is very easy process by using the talent components. Suppose I want to write the code Python, we can connect it, right? So like Pig, Hive, Hadoop systems, we can easily connect it by using the by big data components in talent. Is it clear, Matin?
Yeah, Venkat. I'm-
We have a number of components. We can easily integrate the data. Along with, we can handle huge volumes of data. Like nowadays, cloud databases like AWS, Aurora DB, Redshift. Okay, these databases are we can easily integrate the data. Okay. So any doubts, team? We'll start some job, at least one simple job. I will explain it today. So same. This is
Venkat,
a
one
ETL.
small
Yes, please.
question.
Yes, please.
Actually, in data stage, there are multiple like data stage admin, data stage director, data stage manager. These things are having right in data
Yes.
stage.
Yeah, data stage
So
designer,
instead
director.
of that,
Yes,
yeah,
please.
yeah. Instead of that, in data stage, what tools what components we are using in this talent for admin level or for
Yeah,
manager level for director level?
yeah. Very good question. Very good question. See, in the talent, so in the data stage, they have designer, director, administrator. Okay, suppose I want to schedule the jobs. Means there is a suppose I want to finish one job, then I want to run the next job. Means so that the dependency is not there for scheduling in the data stage director. But that's why they use the third-party scheduler like Control-M, Atomic, Cron Tab. They will use it in data stage. But talent, there is a tax server is there, talent administrator center. By using the talent administrative center, so if there is any dependency, suppose I want to finish one job then run the another job, means we can easily integrate it. So it is coming in the part of talent only. It's not required to use the third party scheduler. So this is the one of the major advantage of talent. So there is a only designer and a tech. Okay, so there is only two components I can say here. Okay, designer for
you mean to
development. Yes,
so
please.
you mean to
Sorry.
say, Venkat, so from tag we can also trigger the other tool agents uh, means since it's a scheduler, right? So by using talent, even though we are in a position to trigger our talent jobs, but we are
Yes.
also in a position to trigger the other jobs which are there in other tools. Like if I want to trigger some reporting alerts in Tableau after the
No,
completion of talent jobs, can it be done?
no. Reportings we are not doing. So mainly that is for tech, right? For talent only.
Okay. It is only confined to talent. Okay.
Yes. Because of that is the talent product.
Okay.
Uh,
Got it.
Okay, so but this future facility, this functionality is not available other ETL tools, right? So that is the one of the advantage, right? Talent also.
And
The
one
talent.
more thing, Venkat.
Ye-
Do
Yes,
you
please.
use third-party tools in this talent for
Yes,
scheduling the job for?
we can use third party tools as well as we can use the tag also. Tag also very good.
Okay.
Most of the project they will use the tag only for scheduling the jobs. So rarely they will go for the third party scheduler because of we have the dependency scheduler. Okay, if the something is success, run the another one. Suppose once this process is done, then immediately run the next process. That we can easily handle it by using the tag. So again, no need to purchase the different tools like third-party schedulers, because we have to invest some amount, right? So that's why most of
Yeah.
the people, they will prepare the tag itself.
Mhm.
Okay, so rarely, suppose like somebody is asked, right? So I want to schedule the reporting process also, like so that case, so anyway they have purchased the product, means that time they will use the instead of tag, they will use the a third party scheduler like Atomic, Control M, Crontab, Airflow, whatever. So I think Atomic is very good in the market, third party tool. Control M also good. Any doubts, team? I can say single point when so we will teach the real time training. So let me show you the content, whatever we are going to cover it. Okay, this is my content. So okay, so we will provide the talent softwares. All the softwares will provide it. So we will explain it how to install it. One day class we will take it. So we will cover the data warehousing ETL concept along with the SQL. We'll cover it. So along with the talent component, this is the main part for us. Okay, so we'll cover all the talent components. They have a number of components, so mainly we'll cover. So it's not required to learn 1,000 components. It's required to learn a little bit more, not that much. So what are the required components? We'll cover it. Okay, so along with we will cover, see, this is the main thing, SCD type 1 type 2 also will cover it. So routines also will cover it. So there is a, suppose assume that other third party tools like other ETL tools, like suppose I want to get the file from the one server to local, so we'll use the usually FTP, right? So we have to do the manually, but in the talent we can easily by using the FTP get component, we can develop the job, we can schedule the job, we can easily get the files in the particular time. So this is a very good component, I can say. This this components facilities is functionality other ETL tools don't have that much, but talent having good functionality. So along with we'll cover real-time project explanation and real-time scenarios and interview questions and answers. Along with we'll cover mock interviews, we'll conduct it. Mainly for getting the job only we are covering, right? So I'm sure that after listening my interview questions answers, I am sure that you will get the job easily. So we will cover real time, means whatever the facing live interview questions and answers, will explain it along with project explanation will give. This is the content we are going to cover it. Okay, any doubts? Let me show you one job, single job, so how to develop it at least. Any doubts? I'm sure that you will get the job when you learn talent, because of openings are more, demanding is more, resources are availability in the market is very less. Okay, so even though they are not asking more in depth, they are asking only normal questions. Okay, so let me cover it, some of the scenarios. Any doubts, team, before going to class? Any doubts, team? Feel free to ask me. So let me cover it, start it. So
Then sir,
assume that,
one question.
yes please, yes please.
But in survey, why in aspect 2020 survey they mention like talent is the third stage. Why it is IBM Informatica is the first stage?
Because of they have older skills, right? Most of the existing project, see, again the projects are in my production, so I want to migrate it. It may take some time, right? Because of the process is, they are going smoothly now as per now. Okay, so
Okay.
now they are realizing it, now they are starting it one by one step they are doing now. Okay, I am
Oh,
sure that all the upcoming project, most of the project, it will come in talent only, not other ETL tools. I am sure that. So that's why I
oh,
can say next generation leader in the market.
okay.
Because of
Have you done
I am running.
like
Yes,
yeah?
please.
Have you done any migrations like Oracle to Talent, like data migration, ETL to like talent
I did for
migration?
data stage to talent because of we're reading the data in the source Oracle only, right? Like n number of database like Oracle SQL Server. So we're reading the data in the databases like Oracle SQL. Then we can load into we can perform some transformations. Then we can apply some conditions. Then we can load into the target single database.
Okay.
So that's what we're doing. So we're covering the Oracle also here.
So, okay. Thanks.
This is SQL. SQL means Oracle SQL.
Yeah. Okay. So what is the prerequisite skills like for this talent? Only SQL is
So
enough or anything like
yeah, basic
Java?
SQL is enough. Anyway, I will teach everything here, full package. Because if you come anything, any language, so just you need one laptop. Okay, so after every day class done, so you have to practice. That is the only one prerequisite from my side.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I will teach everything here, full package.
Yeah,
Okay.
Venkat, one quick question. Means when you are saying the jobs are easily available on talent, so are they
Okay.
expecting 3 to 4 years experience or 4 to 5? How many years of experience are they actually looking
Yeah,
for?
minimum, yes, minimum 2.5 years of experience is required in for the getting the
On
job.
on
Yes,
talent.
for a talent, minimum 2.5.
Okay.
2.5 to so maximum 9 10. That is
Like
whatever
So
yes
if
good.
I mean, in my case, I'm having somewhere around 7 years of experience in Informatica.
Yeah,
Uh,
so we'll discuss offline because I'm recording the session. Okay,
okay,
so I may upload in YouTube, so that's why we will discuss offline
sure.
that one, that point.
Okay.
I got it, your question. Okay, we'll help you on that, don't worry. We'll explain how to prepare the resumes also. We'll give the sample resumes. Okay, so we'll give some projects also. Okay, so
yeah, for me
we'll
also.
help you on that. That is the main thing,
Okay.
right? To getting the job, we'll help you. Don't worry. Any questions, team? Yeah,
That is
let me start it. Sample job. Suppose I assume that I have I have one file, one txt file. So I have one txt file. So I want to read this txt file, but I want to load into another file. I don't want to load all the data. So I want to load only whose salary greater than 5,000. Those records only I want to load into my target. Okay, this is my requirement. Customer will give some requirement. We have to understand the requirement. So after that, we have to develop the job. Okay. So team, if you are not speaking, try to mute it. Thanks in advance. So this is my text file. So in my file having employee number, employee name, job, salary, DEPT number. Okay. So what is the delimiter in this file, team? Can somebody tell me? For employee number, my column name employee number, my employee name, something is separating. The separation we will call as a delimiter. So the delimiter is, what is the delimiter, team? Can somebody tell me in this file? What is the separating for one column to another column? Something separating, right? That separator will call as a delimiter, right? What is the delimiter?
Comma.
Comma. Yes. So my file having the text file and my delimiter is comma. I want to read this file and I want to load into another file. So I don't want to load all the records. I want to load into whose salary greater than 5,000. So what are the 5,000? This is the record we will get it. Can somebody tell me? So I have one. So I have 8 records. So let me check it. 8 records. So what are the, when I develop the job, what are the records it will load into the target? So this is the salary below 2,000. This is the false condition. It will not load it. This is the false condition. This is also false condition. So let me give greater than or equal to. So it will load this record also. So I'm giving it. So this is also greater than 5,000. So this is the true condition. These are all the true condition. It will load these records into the target. Okay. So I will get only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 records. Along with I want in the header also. So okay. So talent, I want to read the text file means there is a one component by using the T file input delimited. By using the T file input delimited component, I can read the text file and CSV file. Okay. Between I want to load into another file means in the target that is called as a, so I want to load the text file means there is a T file output delimited component. By using the T file output delimited component, I can load the data into the target. Between, I want to apply some logic. What is the logic? I want to filter the data. So I want to filter the data means by using the T filter row component, I can filter the data. So that is called as a transformation. Reading is called as a extraction. So loading is called as a loading. L is called as a loading. T means transformation. That is called as a T filter row. So I want to filter the data. I want to write some conditions means we will use the T filter row. We'll explain what is the T filter row fully. Okay, so it will support single input link. It will come only single input link and a single output link and a single reject link. Okay, so so first I want to import this file. So I want to read this file means first we have to import the metadata. So or else we have to enter the manually. So let me import it the metadata. How to import the metadata of the file means, so there is a, this is the text file, right? So there is a metadata section. So there is a file delimiter. In the file delimiter, we can import the text files and CSV files. Suppose I want to import the metadata of the Oracle databases means, so we can import the DB connections. So as for now, I want to read the text file means in the file delimiter, right click it, create a file delimiter. So provide the file name. What is the file name? My file name is so srcemp. So let me copy this file and let me paste it here. Okay, so click on next. So which file I want to read it, browse that file. I want to read some file, right? So that browse that file. So where it is located, browse that file. So let me browse that file. So let me make the text. So it will display all the text files. So let me select the srcmp. So click on next. So what is the delimiter? My file delimiter, my source file delimiter, comma, right? So let me select the, by default it's having semicolon field separator. By source having comma. So select the comma here. Okay, so my file having header. So header is called as a, first row is called as a not a data. It is having a column names, field names. Okay, so my first record is called as a column names. So I need to select the set heading row. So I have to select the header. One record is called as a header. So how to select the header means there is a one checkbox. So by default disabled, I want to enable means there is a set heading row as a column names. Select this, so it automatically enable one. So refresh the preview. After selecting the field set, after selecting the header, actual data it will display in the tabular format. Okay, after selecting a header and field separator, click on next. Click on next. So automatically it will predefine some length. Okay, suppose if you want to increase the length, you can increase it. So if you want change the data types, and you can change the data types. As per the in the real time, they will give one physical mapping document. Okay, we have to base mapping document. We have to take the source column names and data types and their lengths. Okay, also nullability. So I want to increase the length. So you can increase the length as per the document. So if you I don't want to change anything, click on finish. That's it. Okay, I have import. Now I have to develop the job. Okay, how to develop the job means, so there is a job is create a job, right click the job designs, create a job, provide the job, simple demo one, click on finish, click on finish. So the designer workspace is opening. So this is called as a designer workspace. So as a palette, all the components it will be there. So right side called as the left side is called repository. It will store all the metadata as well as the jobs, our jobs. Okay, read the data text file, right? So I have imported the file. I will use that file, drag that file. So I want srcmp. So simply drag. I want as a source. Read the source means text file means we have to select the T file input delimiter. By T file input delimiter, I can read the text files and CSV files. Click on OK. Select that input delimiter, click on OK. Okay, I want to load into another text file. So how to take it? There is a n number of ways. So one of the SATcast component name, simply type it T file output delimiter. Select that. Or else, so in the file output delimiter, so drag it. Okay, this is the one of the method. So if I know the component name, simply type it T file output delimiter. Select it. Okay, so this is the easiest method. So between, I want to filter the data. So I want to filter the data means, as we discussed, so there is a one component. By using the T filter row component, I can filter the data. Okay, let me give the link. So I want to process the source data to the target means we have to give the mapping links. So how to give it? Right click, row and main. So right click, row and filter. Okay, so I have defined the links. Now I have to define the properties. So let me double click the source T file input delimiter component. So I already imported metadata. That metadata I have taken from the repository, so I no need to change anything here. So let me go for the condition. Double click the T filter row. What is my condition, team? Can somebody tell me? What is my condition? What is my condition? As we discussed, I want to get
Salary
Equal to 5,000.
salary greater than or equal to 5,000. Right? So that condition I have to develop here. So there is a condition section, T filter row. There is a plus symbol. Click the plus symbol. Select the input column. Which column I want to apply the condition? So there is the operator. Select the greater than or equal to. Suppose if you select the greater than, it will not come 5,000. So pass the 5,000 value. What are the filter value? So in the real time, we will never use the hard coded value. We'll create a context parameters. We'll explain it. Not now. So in the regular classes. Okay, we will never hard code any value in the real time. I'm sure that. So we'll explain it. So I have defined my condition. So let me go for the T file output delimiter. So select the file. Which file I want to save it?
Venkat, what is that function? When you filter the data,
Which,
yeah. The
yeah,
output,
this is the filter.
yeah. What is the
Operator.
no? The function you can mention as empty. What is that one?
Yeah, it is a nothing. It is a
Okay.
function so nothing. So no need to do anything here. So by default they have given empty. So by
Okay.
default it will be empty, right? So
In real time also we can mention it as empty.
yeah, yes. This is a no need to change anything. So when you add one more, see,
Okay.
it will come empty first initially. So the no need to do anything. Okay.
Okay.
So greater than or equal to 5,000. So I want to save the somewhere, right? So let me go for the target. So suppose assume that I have some target. So let me go for 18th November. So there is a, let me go for, so let me save it somewhere. So I have some target. So let me go for the target. I have created January 18th. So let me create some target folder. So this is my target. So I want to save this file into the here. So let me select that one. So let me browse the path. So let me go for the documents. So in the 18th January, I have created one folder in the target section. So I want, so tgt filter value.txt. So I have selected the file. So I want field separator, my comma. So let me change to comma. By default it's having semicolon. They are asking in interview. In the T file output delimiter, what is the field separator by default? They're asking, one of the company they asked in interview. Okay, so field by default, field separator having semicolon. Okay, please remember it. So anyway, we'll cover it later also, no issues. So I want to include header. So let me select them. I want field column names in my output also. So that's why I need to select the include header. Okay, so let me run the job. So how to run the job? There is a run tab. simply run the job. That's it. So I have developed the job, I am running the job. So if we face any issues, we'll get the error. So my source having 8 records, my target having 5 records. So my source having 5 records, target source having 8 records, target having 5 records. Let me check it. My target file. See, so let me open it. I will verify it. See, all the records are getting more than 5,000, greater than or equal to 5,000 records only. So this is the way to develop the simple job. Team, are you understanding the way of my explanation? So it's very easy, I can say, Talent. Even 10th class students also they can learn it. That much easy, I can say. Simple word. Okay. You need doubts, team? Feel free to ask me.
Venkat, I have a question. Actually, in my project, we are using the data stage, and the big data is the Hive tools. Okay, now we are loaded the data from the different source systems to the Hive, and now currently we are processing our jobs to Hive to the WDM, in the sense Teradata.
Teradata, okay.
Okay. Now we are migrated to the Talent. We all the jobs is all the jobs has been designed to the Talent. Okay.
Okay.
So now the same process we are following, like Hive to the WDM. We are load the data to the Talent jobs.
Okay.
So is it possible to load the data to
Yeah, it's
create the
possible.
jobs?
Yeah. So we can read the Hive table. There is a from Hive we have to create HDFC file system and we can load into the Hive. Then we can load into the wherever you want Teradata. We can read
Okay.
it. They have a number of database. So let me show you create. So in the metadata section, so let me show you how many connections are available. We can connect n number of databases. So okay, so this is a DB connection. So even I am base. I worked a data stage earlier. Okay, let me see. These are the databases are available. We can connect. So Hive we can connect DB to Impala. So we can create it. Redshift also means JDBC we can create it. So MongoDB, Netezza, Oracle, PostgreSQL. So Teradata. You want Teradata means this is the Teradata.
Yeah.
See, same. So we have to see if the Teradata connection means login ID, password, server, DB connection. So let me select the Oracle Redshift. So what is there? So login ID, password. Same it will come. The connection details it will be changed. That's it. The process is
Okay.
same. So let me
Okay.
select the Oracle. Let me select Oracle. See. So login ID, password, username, details. That's it. It will change it.
Okay.
Okay. If you select the Netezza, the process is same.
Okay.
Venkat, I don't see the connection for Snowflake.
Snowflake. Yeah, it will be there in the enterprise edition. That is the good demanding database, Snowflake and MongoDB. Okay,
Right.
so it's there in the enterprise edition because this is the open source. You can connect to Snowflake also, enterprise edition.
Okay.
Okay, the daily classes timings. Let me tell you. So daily classes same 7:45 to 9 a.m. Okay, so initially we will connect 8:45 for 1 week. So later we'll pick up 9 p.m. So 9 a.m. like from 7:45 to 9 a.m. daily class timings. Okay, IST timings. Okay, so who are all interested, ping me in my WhatsApp group. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards regular classes. Okay, so 9538160185 my number. Who are all interested to learn Talent, you can enroll it. Okay, ping me in our WhatsApp your confirmation for interested to learn Talent. Okay, so I will allow you tomorrow, but from day after tomorrow onwards I will not allow you. Who are all interested, make a registration uh, tomorrow UOD. Okay, so from the 20th I will not allow you who are not registered, those people. Okay, thanks in advance guys. Any doubts, feel free to ask me. We'll cover real-time scenarios, guys. I see for each class recordings I will provide it along with I have prepared the documentation, all the Oracle, SQL, Talent. So there is a n number of documents. So I have prepared real-time scenarios. It's having clear steps. Each screenshot. So suppose this is my source, this is my target. So how to develop the screenshot? So clear steps. If I give my document who are from other ETL tools, they can easily learn it by you watching these documents also. Along with, we will provide each class recordings also. Okay, if you have doubt, go through the recordings. If you have doubt, go through the documents. If you have doubt, please feel to contact at any time. I am available. Okay, so from my side, full support it will be there. Okay, so all the documentation will provide it. Any doubts, team? I'm stopping here today.